Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the grille on a Nissan Titan. If you ever want to change it, or change your headlights, or get into any of the stuff that's behind there, you need a long screwdriver with a narrow tip. And there are little clips. There are 4 on the top, 3 on the bottom. Just like this one right here. So you just turn it like that, and now it's undone. Do that with all of them, and they turn one way better than the other. So you're just popping them off, and then you gotta look for them under here. Sorry about that. One there. There it is. I can see it better on the camera than on the than in real life. I still can't see it very well though. Okay, let's try again. Focus. Did I get that one? No, I did not. You get the picture. There's 3 in the bottom. You got to look in there. 1 on each side. 1 in the middle. There's one there. Another one. I'm going to pop 3 bottom ones off and then pop the grill off. Now after you have those undone, then look for these clips on the headlights. Right here. So you are basically pushing that. You can't see it very well with my hand there, but tab right here. Push it to the side and then go back. And sometimes if you push the tab aside and pry a little bit, it will help. But yeah, you got to get this tab moved out of the way. Push it towards the center of the truck. And then there's also a clip behind here, which is just going to pop off. Okay, so I've got the 7 clips undone, and then the 2 headlight ones. And you're just going to pop it. And come to the other side. Pop it. And lift it off. And you've got access to your headlight bolts. You don't really have access to your headlight adjusters very easily. Yeah, there's your horn. You're rad. And then what you got to do, I'll pull these out, all of them. I'll pull them all out and slide them back in here. Slide them back into your grill this way. Okay, so the reinstall is simple as well. Basically, just lining everything back up. Pushing it back on. You hear them click. So just check them all. Sure, they're all clipped back in. Push there, push here, push bottom. And it's back on and done.